and show you a tool that I use to create all of my domains. I use them because they cheap, they're affordable. And so, what I want to share with you is how to go about purchasing a domain, okay, and then taking the company branded website, all right, and redirecting it to your domain. So here we go. I'm just going to sign in. My stuff is already saved in my computer. So here we go. I have a lot of domains, guys. I have a lot of domains. Okay. And they're good to have. They're good to have really to brand yourself, brand what you're selling. And also, a lot of times these are easier to pass on Facebook because the company branded websites sometimes will not work on Facebook when you send them to people through Messenger. So this is why I always create a new domain. And so as I said, it's cheap. As you can see, this is one of my domains here. I'm just going to go into it. And to do that, uh, or wait a minute, let me back up. Let's back up. If we wanted to search for a domain, go to the top, domain name search. You know, you come up with whatever name that you want. Let's just say we wanted to do uh, make make money while you sleep. Okay, let's do that. We're gonna search. Boom, boom, boom. And then it is going to give you all kinds of options, right? So some of these are taken. I guess this is a popular one, right? But if you come down here, you can find a domain name, make money while you sleep .online for $288 a year. Okay. Um, make money while you sleep .network, $388 a year. Okay. And make money while you sleep .xyz, 99 cents for the year. All right. So the way they work is they give you a discount on that first year, but then the second year is going to be more expensive. So you want to make sure that you're paying attention to that as you choose your domains. All right. So if I wanted to choose make money while you sleep app, I could add that to cart, come over here, view cart, and then go through the process of buying it. But then once you've bought the domain, where it is going to appear, let me make sure I can move this, where it's going to appear is in the domains that you have purchased. So go to your dashboard, account dashboard. As I said, I have plenty. Okay, if I want to you hit manage, that's on your right here. And it's going to pull up the page. All right, when you come in here, you don't want to go to domain. You want to go to advanced DNS, top right. Okay, so when you go to advanced DNS, right? So page down a little bit, there are a couple different things. Now, this is one that I've already completed. However, it works the same way. Okay, so what you want to see when you get through is two URL redirect records. Okay, one is going to have the @ sign for the host. All right, and the value is always the website that you want to redirect. So you could take your company branded page and bring it over here and stick it in value. All right, and you do that for each of these. So URL redirect record, you're going to have @ and you're going to have the www, okay, and you're going to stick the company branded website here. So if I click on it, as you can see, I could change this if I wanted to, but I don't want to. I'm just going to click the little green check mark. It's going to save it again, but that's how it goes. Real simple. The other thing is, when you first come to this page, it's not going to be like this. It's going to have something else as a value. But you're going to change that to your company branded website. Just click on it, add in your website. Click on it, add in your website. You just want to make sure that you choose redirect URL redirect record, because as you can see, there are a couple different options here. Okay. And there will be one when you come here, usually, that has parking. It has excuse me, CNAME record, and it has parking. You want to delete that. Delete that. And that's all you've got to do. And it works like a charm. It works like a charm. So when somebody comes to my website here, secretmillionaire.space, they're going to be redirected to my company website, whatever that is, or whatever offer it is that I'm doing. So I just want you guys to be aware of that. And if you ever get hung up, it's not clicking, you can click chat with a live person, and they're open like 24/7. They are more than happy to help you. So I hope this helps you guys. Don't want to take up too much of your time here. Take care. Bye bye.